Want a flawless, natural-looking hairstyle? This lace closure might be exactly what you're looking for. This is the Phashion HD Lace Frontal Closure, made from 100% Remy human hair for a soft, natural feel and long-lasting quality. One of its biggest highlights is the HD Swiss lace, which blends beautifully with different skin tones to create a realistic, nearly invisible hairline. It's also pre-plucked and hand-tied, giving you a more natural look straight out of the box, while reducing the amount of customization needed. You can choose from multiple sizes, including 13x6, 13x4, 6x6, 5x5, and 4x4, so it's easy to find the perfect option for your preferred hairstyle. The hair features a smooth, straight texture that can be styled just like your own hair, and it's available in lengths from 14 to 28 inches, whether you're going for a simple everyday look or long, glamorous styles. Since it's made from high-quality Brazilian Remy hair, it offers natural shine, soft movement, and can also be dyed to darker shades while maintaining its quality. Overall, if you're looking for a premium lace closure that delivers a natural hairline, comfortable wear, and styling flexibility, this is definitely worth considering. And if you'd like to check it out or order one for yourself, the link is in the description.